Hi, we're Anna and Michael from Casa Salentina. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you to those of you returning. There'll be nothing left in the house after today, so we'll just be in the comfort of the Airbnb before we go. So this will be our home for the next 3 nights. It's the night before we leave this lovely rental apartment.
Yes.
Packing the TV, it's going to my brother's. He'll be putting that away.
Storage.
And this is what's left of our life here in Australia. That's it. We are not bringing any furniture or crockery or anything with us. And our washing basket here is just full of rubbish. We're just going to empty that out tomorrow morning before we leave.
It's about the 10th load.
Yes.
To the bins today.
Yes, we've just been filling the bins, just
Amazing
throwing.
how much we've been throwing away.
Yeah, I can't believe, considering we've hardly had anything to start with. It's just amazing how much we've accumulated in the last 5 months here. Today, the last remaining items here in Australia, which is made up of 7 boxes and 3 other items like a filing cabinet, 1 luggage and a TV. This will all go to my brother's storage. And that's our life. That's what we've got left. It's hard to believe after all these years, 6 decades, and we're really down to 7 boxes. And then that's all that's left. And that pile in the corner is going to my brother's. So what did you get, Sonia?
I got a yummy prawn and pistachio pasta.
Oh, that sounds nice. What did you get, Gianluca?
I got the ragu. What's it?
Orecchiette.
Ragu.
Oh, orecchiette. We got pizza.
You should share this with me. You want some of
I
this?
got the ragu but with different pasta. I got it.
Rigatone?
Yeah.
Does look good. What did you get, Colin?
I got the linguine lobster.
Linguine
I think the
lobster.
broccolini are missing.
And what's mine? Mine is barramundi and watercress and cauliflower. Over all the eating and stuff.
Recover.
Need a couple of days break, you know, so yeah, it's good to see you.
That's even better. I love it.
I miss you.
Yeah. Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Off the time.
On the flip side. Yeah.
You're going to be a superstar tonight.
Thank you.
Thank you. If you're already on TikTok, we're in top.
I
I love it. I just love it. McDonald's. I love it. I'm not shares in this country, so keep eating. Keep buying. I bought them free.
Bye. See you later. Right.
All right, well, you ready to try this one? Yes. Yes. All right.
That's what you do. You've got
I watch out for the cold. It's on the mattress.
Salentina.
We got, what is it? Casa Salentina removalist. Hey? How good's that? I love it.
Long sleeve.
What are you doing?
Yeah, I gave Claude I said analyze this as one of my event descriptions.
Run. So good. They end up running, I don't know. Asa? Your mate Asa.
Au revoir is French.
Same shit.
Safe
Have a good trip, Mama.
We will. Did you just order the Uber?
I've ordered the Uber.
Okay, cool.
I'll be here in a few minutes.
We're on our way.
We are on our way to the airport.
That's it. D-Day. It's done.
Yep.
That's it.
Waiting for our ride.
No turning back.
No.
And we both got our Casa.
We do actually, yeah.
Salentina. I didn't know you were wearing that
No, I
today.
didn't know you were wearing that either.
Okay.
There you go.
All right. We will see
See you on the flip side
Bye.
at the airport.
Is this fine now? Or would you like to go ahead?
This is it, guys.
We're here.
We're at the departure gate.
We're going.
Made it through security.
We made it through.
Just. Michael had to go stop because of his.
Yeah,
we
just
think
had
it was
to
the
have a
drone
look at my
again.
bag. I'm not sure.
But anyway, he got through. All right, time to relax until we board. We're just commenting how it feels like it was literally yesterday
That we were here doing this, yeah.
that we were here yesterday, not 5 months ago. It's just the most weirdest feeling. Arriving at the airport and pushing our carry-on luggage and pulling out your passports, going through security check. It just feels like yesterday. It's the weirdest feeling. Anyway, we're going to try and grab something to eat before we board. So it's goodbye Australia.
And hello Italy.
Soon.
Yes.
We're about to board. Ciao.
I was just going to the bathroom. It's just about boarding time, and I had a phone call from border security here saying that Anna's left her passport at border security. She had to go back and get it. So hopefully she finds where border security is, back that way somewhere. Anyway, it's 2 o'clock now.
So it's boarding time at 2 o'clock. I've had to rush to get my passport, which apparently I left all the way back at the passport security. We're about to board and we get a phone call saying you left your passport there. So I got about a 10-minute walk or run in a minute to start boarding. Michael's already there at the boarding gate. I don't believe it. Can you believe it?
So all good, Mrs. C. You got your passport.
Shame,
Yeah.
shame,
Terrible.
shame.
And now we're at the gate, and I don't know if anyone's boarded yet. There's not that many here if they haven't. It says group 4, we're group 6.
Yeah. Yes, I made made it.
We made it.
We made it.
Yep.
I got here on time.
Yes.
And we are now on the runway. We're actually moving. So
We are. We're reversing.
yeah. So time to sign off and see you all in Singapore. We made it to Singapore. Haven't lost anything anymore.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, that was exciting. We are walking around and just trying to find our gate.
Yes, we just found out we're going to go to B1.
Yes. My ears are blocked, so I don't know if I'm talking loud enough whether you can actually hear us. But yeah, we're just trying to find our gate. We have a 4-hour layover here, so we can actually walk around, just move around, because we were sitting there for 8 hours on that first flight. So yeah, we're just going to walk around, check out the shops. Not here to buy anything, just to move the body before we have our next 12-hour flight. Yes, so all going well. We thought while we remember, we want to bring up, I haven't been on Singapore Airlines for quite a long time and I always rated it one of the best airports. So disappointed. It is tired, it is old, parts of it has no air conditioning, it is hot. And on the plane, I've got to say, no toiletry pack given, so no toothbrush, no toothpaste, no eye patch to keep your, to keep the light out. Nothing.
We had to ask for the earphones, and they go through.
Oh yeah, no headphones. There were no headphones.
Okay.
But when we asked for the headphones, we did get this little small pack of earphones. So none of the normal headphones. Pretty disappointed, even with the food and the quantity of it. And we're comparing this to so many airlines because we're very well travelled. Emirates is a standout. Emirates has got to be like right at the top there when it comes to food service. Funny enough, Qatar airport is amazing. Even Rome airport's amazing. Tired and old. The carpet is ratty.
Trying to drag your bags on carpet's not easy.
You can't even drag. Yeah, look, it's really. Yeah, we rarely complain, but we often travel. So it's just a comparison that we thought we'd mention here. So yeah, very disappointing this time round. And I talked up Singapore Airlines like crazy.
I'm expecting big things, but
And Michael's,
I don't know.
Michael's probably thinking I've gone mad, but yeah, don't know what's happened. Is it this terminal? Terminal 3?
Could be the wrong terminal we're in, maybe,
This could be this terminal, maybe. Hasn't been upgraded for years. But it's no excuse for the service on the plane. That was,
bizarre.
that was really bizarre. So we thought we want to mention this, and if anyone's travelled Singapore lately, or let us know, if you've had that sort of experience.
Someone was recording in slow motion last time.
Yes, so it was like thunder, birds, coming.
Well, anyway, we're 2 hours out from Rome.
Do it already. Yes. No sleep.
No sleep, pretty much.
No
I think I've had 3 or 4 hours.
Yeah, I slept on the first flight. In the last, this is a 12.5-hour flight. I haven't slept any of it at all.
They're just serving breakfast. We're hoping it's going to be better than what dinner was.
Yes. We haven't enjoyed the food on the whole flight. It's been really basic.
We're going to Italy. We're going to have a second breakfast in Rome, can't we?
Yes. We can eat out until our hearts content. We have arrived.
We have arrived. We're here.
All smiles, all smiles. We're happy. Our flight was, I think it was delayed, what, half an hour?
Half an hour, yeah.
But that was because we boarded 45 minutes late.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're just going to pick up our checked-in luggage because this was the first time in, 12 years that we checked in some luggage.
EU.
EU? Batte qua? Grazie. Yes, we have an EU passport. So we have quick exit. We'll be out of here in like a minute like we did last time. All right, because it only took like a minute to get out, our luggage is not out yet. So there's one piece of luggage we're just waiting for, and it'll arrive on 5 and 6. All right, so we've checked in and we're off to have breakfast. We think it's 10, something around about that time. So
It's 11:15. I've got 15 minutes if I want a cappuccino.
wow, okay, that was a long ride from the airport.
It seemed to take ages actually. I've
Wow.
never been that way before.
Okay, we have to have our colazione very, very quickly. It's a beautiful day here as well. So let's get ready.
Yes.
Ah, che bello tutto qua.
2 euro.
2 ore?
Vuole busta?
Ah, non c'è questa qua.
Ok.
Grazie,
A lei.
grazie.
2.
Buona giornata.
Anche a te tesoro, grazie. Grazie ragazzi.
Grazie.
Allora guarda, pezzetto di questa. Senti, io volevo un pezzettino di questa qui con le melanzane. Sì. No, questa con le melanzane. Senza mettere su. Ok, adesso.
Descobri todos os sete mares na